Welcome to Technology in the Future. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming drones, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. As the official launch nears, we've compiled everything you need to know about this powerhouse of innovation. Thanks to recent leaks and insider reports, we now have a clear picture of what to expect from this highly anticipated drone. Let's begin with the design. The Mavic 4 Pro strikes an excellent balance between portability and performance. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a travel backpack, measuring around 25 centimeters and weighing just 1.63 kilos. Once unfolded, it stretches out to nearly 39 centimeters, giving it a commanding presence in the sky without sacrificing mobility. In terms of performance, this drone is built for speed and stability. With a top speed of 25 meters per second in sport mode, roughly 90 km/h, it's fast enough for dynamic shots and action scenes. Its vertical climb and descent speeds reach 6 ms, providing smooth transitions in height. What's even more impressive is its flight endurance, up to 51 minutes of flight time and 45 minutes of hovering. It also performs well in windy conditions, resisting gusts up to 12 ms and operating at altitudes as high as 6,000 meters, or 3,000 meters with prop guards. For navigation and accuracy, the Mavic 4 Pro is equipped with triple satellite support, GPS, Galileo, and BEU. This ensures reliable connectivity even in remote or challenging areas. One standout feature for creators is the Creator Combo version, which comes with a massive 512 GB of built-in storage, ideal for extended shoots without the hassle of changing memory cards. Camera performance is where the Mavic 4 Pro truly shines. The main camera features a large 4.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting in an ultra-detailed 100-megapixel mode. With full manual aperture control ranging from f2 to f11 and a wide 70-degree field of view, it's built for cinematic visuals. Supporting this is a medium telephoto lens with a 48MP sensor and a 70mm focal length, as well as a powerful 50MP telephoto lens that can digitally zoom up to a 168mm equivalent, ideal for capturing faraway subjects without losing clarity. Low light. Performance has also seen major improvements. With an ISO range extending up to 12,800 for photos and 6,400 for video, in D-Log or HLG, you can expect excellent results in dim settings. Whether you're shooting sunsets, night skies, or moody indoor scenes, this drone adapts with impressive flexibility. The shutter system is just as advanced, with speeds ranging from 1/16,000 second for fast-moving subjects to 16-second long exposures for stunning night shots and light trails. Burst shooting modes, including AEB, sequential, and timed, provide creative flexibility for photographers. Resolution lovers will appreciate the staggering image sizes the Mavic 4 Pro offers, up to 12,288 x 8,192 pixels. You can choose between 25MP and 100MP stills, along with time-lapse capabilities from 1 to 60 seconds. On the video front, it captures up to 6K at 60 FPS in 16.9, with slow-motion options like 4K at 120 FPS or 2.7K vertical video at the same frame rate, ideal for social platforms. When it comes to video formats, the drone supports both H.264 and H.265 codecs, with the higher-end option delivering up to 180 Mbps for efficient quality. The Creator Combo unlocks H.264 all-intra compression at a whopping $1,200 Mbps, giving professionals top-tier footage to work with. As for color grading, it supports 10-bit 4.2.2 across multiple profiles including normal, HLG, D-Log-M, and D-Log, ensuring flexibility in post-production. Stabilization is handled by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, delivering rock-steady shots even in turbulent air. The gimbal offers extensive range, allowing dramatic pitch and roll angles for creative filming. Zoom capabilities are equally powerful, with up to 2.5x optical on the main camera, 6x on the mid-telephoto, and a staggering 24x digital zoom on the telephoto lens. For safe and intelligent flying, the drone includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing powered by LiDAR, infrared, and side sensors. It can detect objects up to 200 meters away while flying at high speed, allowing it to navigate safely through tight or complex areas. Powering all this is a 6,654 mAh battery, delivering outstanding performance with a maximum charging power of 95.3 W. A full recharge takes about 51 minutes using DJI's 240W power adapter. And if you're flying multiple batteries, the charging hub can handle several at once, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro sets a new benchmark for drone technology. From its robust flight specs to its professional-grade cameras, it's a device that caters to both casual users and experienced filmmakers. Whether you're shooting documentaries, travel vlogs, or commercial work, this drone has the power and precision to take your content to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Technology in the Future. Stay connected for more updates and expert insights on the latest in tech innovation.